Today, we are going to compare Kajabi and WordPress to answer one important question for course creators. Which platform is better for online courses? If you are planning to sell online courses, coaching programs, membership, or digital products, then choosing the right platform can have a huge impact on your business. The platform you choose that will affect how you create content, manage students, process payments, and grow your audience. Kajabi and WordPress are both very popular options, but they take completely different approaches. One focuses on providing all-in-one business platform, while the other option offer maximum flexibility and customization. So before you choose one, let's look at the key differences in a simple way. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offers on course creation platforms, because by using our description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. If I talk about Kajabi first, then Kajabi is designed especially for creators who want to sell knowledge online. Instead of requiring multiple tools, Kajabi combines course hosting, website building, email marketing, sales funnels, memberships, payment processing, and customer management all in one platform. This all-in-one approach is one of the Kajabi's biggest advantages. A beginner can create website, upload course lessons, set up payment pages, build email campaigns, and start selling without needing several different software subscriptions. Another thing many users like is simplicity. Kajabi is designed to reduce technical work. Most features are available directly inside the dashboard, which allows creators to focus more on content and marketing rather than website management. For people who want a streamlined experience, this can be very attractive. Now let's talk about the WordPress. WordPress is the most flexible option available. Instead of being a complete course platform by itself, WordPress acts like as a foundation for your website. You can add course plugins, membership plugins, payment system, marketing tools, and almost any feature you can imagine. This flexibility is one of WordPress' greatest strengths. You are not limited to the tools provided by a single company. You can customize your website exactly the way you want. Many successful course creators use WordPress with learning management plugins to build highly customized learning platform. Another major advantage is ownership and control. With WordPress, you have complete control over your website, content, design, hosting environment, each and everything. You can move providers, install new plugins, and customize nearly every aspect of the platform. For long-term business owners, this level of control can be very valuable. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Kajabi is generally easier for beginners. Everything is integrated into one system, which means fewer setup steps and less technical management. WordPress has larger learning curve because user need to manage hosting, plugins, updates, security, backups, and integrations. While it is not difficult to learn, it usually requires more time compared to Kajabi. Another important factor is pricing and cost. Kajabi is often has a higher monthly subscription price because it includes many business tools in one package. WordPress can sometimes be more affordable, especially when starting out. However, cost can increase as you add premium plugin, hosting upgrades, marketing tools, and additional services. The total cost depends heavily on how you build your website. Now, let's talk about the scalability. Both platforms can support successful online course businesses. Kajabi makes scaling easier because many features are already integrated. And WordPress offers more customization as your business grows, but it may require more management and technical decisions along the way. So, which platform should you choose? If you want an all-in-one solution where everything works together from the start, Kajabi is often the better choice for you. It is especially attractive for creators who want simplicity and minimal technical setup. But if you want maximum flexibility, full ownership, unlimited customization, and long-term control, WordPress is often the stronger option. The best choice depends whether you value convenience or customization more. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this video helped you to understand differences between Kajabi and WordPress and which platform may be better fit for your online course business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.